Hi guys, welcome to this video lecture. This is our first video on our series on angles, triangles, and polygons. So in this first video, we're going to be introducing angles. So what are angles? Angles are the distance or change in direction between two lines or surfaces that are diverging from the same point. Angles are always measured in degrees. So angles are formed when two lines are diverging from a point. So this is the point where they are diverging from. So once they diverge, they create a distance between them. They create a space between them, and that is what is called the angle. Okay. So angles are formed when two lines diverge from a common point. So we're going to look at the different types of angles that will serve as a foundation for our subsequent lessons. So the types of angles, the first one is acute angle. Acute angle. This is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. Okay. So remember, angles are measured in degrees. So an acute angle is any angle that is less than 90 degrees. So examples are 1 degree is an acute angle, 45 degrees is an acute angle, 60 degrees is an acute angle, 89 degrees is an acute angle, 89.9 degrees is still an acute angle. So any angle that is less than 90 degrees is an acute angle. Okay. Next we have right angle. This angle is exactly 90 degrees. So it's in this form. So an angle that is in this form where a vertical line and an horizontal line meet at a point, they form a right angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. The other type of angle that we have is obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. So when an angle is greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees, that angle is an obtuse angle. Example is 120 degrees. 120 degrees is an obtuse angle. 169 degrees is an obtuse angle. Is 181 degrees an obtuse angle? No. 181 degrees is not an obtuse angle because it is more than 180 degrees. So any angle that is more than 180 degrees is no longer an obtuse angle. Also, 180 degrees is not an obtuse angle. So the next angle we have is angle on a straight line or straight angle. So you can either call it angle on a straight line or straight angle. So this is an angle that is exactly 180 degrees. This means it is 2 times of a right angle. So if you have a straight line, the angle on top of the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. How do we know? If you draw a vertical line to meet this horizontal line, this way will be 90 degrees and this way will be 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90 will give us 180 degrees. So angle on a straight line is exactly 180 degrees. So the next type of angle we are looking at here is a reflex angle. A reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle that is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So any angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is a reflex angle. Example, 200 degrees is a reflex angle. 350 degrees is a reflex angle. 359 degrees is also a reflex angle. So any angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is a reflex angle. So the last one on our list is a revolution. A revolution or angle around a point. This is a sum of angles around a point. So when you have a point here, there is a straight line that crosses it. The angle on top of the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. The angle below the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. This means the total angle around this straight line is 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, which gives us a total of 360 degrees. So the revolution is simply the angle that we make when we go round a point, and this angle is equal to 360 degrees. So in our subsequent videos, we're going to be going further into this topic on angles. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with other students like you, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.